Hi, this is Bates with Legal Technology Solutions, and what I want to share with you today is three very cool features of a very cool program called Greenshot. This is where you get Greenshot from. Getgreenshot.org/downloads, and just click on the appropriate link. Windows is free, Mac it's $2, and at a certain point I would highly suggest that you help them with donating some money for them or click on their advertisements because they are wonderful people that did a wonderful job with a wonderful program. So download the program, and during the installation, just go through the wizard. Very simple. And what happens is you're going to use it to take screenshots, but it's going to be much more than what the built-in Windows screenshot program does. What we're going to do is give you a quick demo of those features. First one is, let's take a screenshot. I'm going to click on the print screen button on my computer, and it gives me this little arrow highlighter that I'm going to choose what area I want to take a screenshot of. Let's do this whole thing over here and drag it and let go of the mouse. We're going to be opening the image now on the editor that comes with the program, and let me show you the three coolest features ever, in my opinion. The arrow is something that really is not something that unique, but we can create a lot more cool type of arrows and make them much thinner and thicker, etc. But let's say this is going to be something you want to explain to a person. Go to this, click on downloads, click here, and pay for the ads or whatever. Now, we're going to click on the ad counter, which is one cool feature that many other programs don't have. I'm going to click one time with the mouse. Number one, I'm going to click again. It's going to continue counting for me, and that makes my life really easy when I have to give instructions to people. The other cool feature that we use a lot is the blur utility over here. I'm going to click on that here, and let's say the words looking for is not something we want to see. We're going to drag the mouse over it and let go. And I can play with that a little bit and pixelize it also. You have to make it a little bit even harder to read. So I'm going to highlight the areas that I want you guys to not be able to see on the screenshot I'm going to send to you later. So that's feature number 2 that is really cool in my opinion. And feature number 3 is Imager. So Imager is an online free service that publicly allows you to view a bunch of images, and it's meant for people to upload stuff so they can be ranked and rated. But we use that just to take this image, and instead of embedding it in an email as an image, if I can only send somebody, for example, let's say it's a chat or text message or whatever that I use Google Voice for, I'm just going to click on the Imager icon here. What happens, Greenshot is taking this image exactly as you see it right now and uploads it to the Imager website, and it already copied to my clipboard the address of that page. So let's minimize that and go back to the website, create a new tab here, and I'm going to paste, and here is the image link. Remember, I didn't do anything besides clicking on the Imager icon. And look at that. Now this is on a secure web page. It's secured because it's HTTPS, but it is not secured by any means as far as passwords. Anybody with this link can see it. It's not encrypted in any way. Keep in mind, don't send any technical or crucial security information, etc. These are the three features I wanted to share with you with Greenshot, one of my favorite programs. We use it a lot. If you guys take screenshots and do some research and need to send information to others, I highly recommend it. Have a great day. Thank you very much.